Assalamu alaikum friends and my dear students, how are you? Hopefully all of you are fine. My name is Engineer Muhammad Wasim and today I am recording the lecture number 27 which is related to the CST. In the today lecture I will tell you how to edit your image, how to make your image of the CST studio, or you can say that the result of the CST studio are beautiful. How it is possible? It is very easy. Simply you have to watch full video and do not skip the video, because if you skip, you can lose tricks. Now before going toward the topic, it is requested to all of you that kindly subscribe the channel Infotech Science and also press the bell icon. Friends, this is actually a model of the ultra wideband patch antenna design. And now moving toward the result, suppose this is the result. As you saw that this is actually the result of a ultra wideband patch antenna which covering the whole band from 3.1 to the 10.6 gigahertz. And if you saw, this is a very simple graph. You can make it more you can say that attractive with the help of this feature. Now first of all, you have to press the right click of your mouse and move toward the plot property. When you move toward the plot property, there are actually two basic thing, or you can say that there are two basic functions. First is font. In the font you can select the style and the font. In the style, suppose you wanted to select the Time New Roman. In the Time New Roman you want to select the bold or bold italic with having the size of 18 or 22. It is up to you what type of you want to strip, and script should be, it depend of you what type of script you choose. Here it is a Western, Arabic or Greek. It is up to you. Now suppose we chosen as a Western. Now if I press OK, you can clearly saw that this the the diagram writing like S parameter or the frequency changes, and whole the numbers are converted into the time no Romans. Now in the next feature of the same plot property is actually the curve style. Now this is actually the curve, and how to make the curve more attractive, simply press the curve style. In the curve style we have now a single result having the name S11. However, you can also select if you want to compare more than 2 or 3 results, therefore make here entry. Now the line style usually show you what type of the color you want. Suppose it is auto color is a red color. You can also make it as a auto gray. If you press OK, you can clearly saw that the color of the curve changes to auto. It means that it is a gray color. Now moving toward the user defined color. However, if you want to design a user defined, or you like that, you want like a green color. Okay, now if you press the OK, all the curve have the color of the green colors. Now there are some important another feature like what type of the line type you want to chosen. This is actually I chosen as solid. There is also as a dashed, dotted. First I show you dashed. In the dashed, if I press OK, you can saw that the dash lines are appears here. You can also change the width of this dash line from this curve style. Simply line width should be increased up to 5 or 6. Now press OK. You can clearly saw that the line width increases with having the line specification of the dash line. However, you can also change the line type like dotted line. If you saw that the dotted line appear in this thing. However, you can also make another type known as a dash dot. It is shown here that the whole figure shows that there is a dot, there is a dash, there is a dot, there is a dash. It actually function is used in order to show the result more attractive. There are some other feature like the curve. In the curve style we also have the marker style. In the marker style it shown that there is a no marker here. However, you can also select auto, all additional mark, or the mark only. Suppose I press the additional mark. Now I press OK. It clearly shown that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 markers are also appeared here, which shows certain thing. Now in the curve style there are some other features, like you can say that what type of marker pair you want to hear that. This is actually the marker shapes. Now here is the marker shape is on auto. You can also draw the marker shape as a diamond, as a square. Suppose I press the diamond, and marker size should be here less. Suppose I take it as a 5. Now if I press OK, you can clearly watch that the marker size is reduced, and you cannot observe that where the diamond is located. Actually the diamond is located here. I simply increase the size up to the 8. Now I will show you what this is actually the diamond shape that is appeared here. However, you can also change the shape like triangle up, and you can clearly saw that this is the actually the main thing, that is the triangle in upward direction are showing here. Now there is also another thing which nobody can tell you. It is actually the range of the you can say that the range of the result. Suppose this is the range from 0 up to -50. You can also change this range. If suppose I want to change the range from -10 to -60, then what I can do? Simple procedure is that make as a set default. In the set default we have to suppose select -50 not -70. However, the maximum range is you can select it as -10.0, because here in the figure you can saw that the -10 is this is the maximum point, and -70 or -50 is the minimum point. Now if I select the -70, it means that it is in downward direction, and maximum is -10. It means that the graph which is starting at this point is now, after pressing OK, it will start from this position like that. If I press OK, like simple is very easy. Press OK, and now press OK. Now it is clearly shown you that the graph is actually starting from -10, because I choose the range, maximum range from the -10. However, you can also choose the maximum range from 0. As you saw in my previous thing. Suppose I again set default at suppose I take it as 0.0, and you clearly saw now that the result start from this. There is a 0 is the maximum point, and -70 is the minimum point, and this is the frequency range that I selected. You can also change the frequency range. Very easy, very simple. Simply you have to make a change at frequency from this position. This is the frequency range that I selected from 3 to 11. You can also change. If you change frequency, you have to again simulate the whole process. Hopefully you understand that how the image look more beautiful by simply make a very minor setting. At the end of the video, thanks for watching, and bye.